Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add the prompter feature on CapCut while you are recording a video. So this is very helpful if you are recording a presentation and you want to be able to read what you are presenting and you have to record it or something like that. Just go to prompter and just click the pencil button to edit the text. You can also clear all, but I'm just going to leave the text like this and press done. And basically what it will do is that when you record it, the text will still be there. So I'm just going to press the blue button. You can also move it by pressing this bit right here. So I'm just going to select I don't know why it's not working. Hold on. But you're just going to press the blue button. Sorry, my phone is a little bit broken, so I can't really record it. But you're just going to press the blue button and the prompter will be there. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!